How to add Google Authenticator to Bitget. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the Google Authenticator application in your device. Then you need to select your email address, and after that you just have to simply create your account on Google Authenticator. Then you need to launch your Bitget mobile application, and after that tap on this square box in the top left hand corner of the screen. In the top you will be able to see your user ID, so you need to tap on this section. Now tap on the security option, and here in the security you will be able to see Google Authenticator. Now you need to tap on Google Authenticator, and here you need to tap on the enable Google Authenticator. Then it will ask you to provide the Google Authenticator key. So you need to copy the key from your Google Authenticator application and paste in the section. On the next page, you just have to simply verify it with the help of the 6-digit verification code that would be sent in your Google Authenticator application. So you need to just copy that and paste in this Bitget section. After that, you just have to simply follow further instructions in order to enable or add Google Authenticator to Bitget. I cannot show you the steps in Google Authenticator because Google Authenticator doesn't allow screen recording. So you just have to simply follow the simple steps in order to add Google Authenticator to your Bitget account. If you find any of the problems, you can comment it down below. I will give you the solution to it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.